Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. I'm here with Alex and his VK Calais, and we're going to show you how to fit our brand new product, the VK rear boot molds. Let's get into it. Firstly, we're going to remove the original boot mold. As you can see on Alex's car, the pins have fallen off and it's been glued, so he's going to use a blade and remove the tape or the Sikaflex that's behind it. A lot of cars over the years have had these removed and reapplied. Sometimes people use double-sided tape or Sikaflex to put these back on, and if you have an original car, this might be the case. Now we're going to show you how to remove the tail light molds. These also have mastic in the holes to prevent water getting inside the boot and rusting your boot area. Here's a comparison of the new and old molds. As you can see, the old one is damaged, bent and deteriorated, and the new one is a brand new piece which is actually identical and same as the side molds. We have used original Holden tooling to remanufacture these with our license agreement with Holden. In the boot mold kit, you'll get the clips, nuts, speed nuts and original bushes. Come have a look at these. These holes here are where the bushes fit, and this will allow you to fit the pins of the boot mold into the boot. Alex is going to fit the boot mold now. Now, as you can see, we have pins on the back, and these are very delicate, and these will fit into the bushes on the boot. Now he's going to push them on very gently, lining them all up to get it to be secured correctly. Now, with a gentle push, you can get these in to secure right to the boot lid. These are very delicate and can break easy, so be gentle. Now, with the solid click, you'll know they're home, and we can move on to the next part. Now we'll lift the boot so we can push in the base clips, and you'll know they're in with a solid click. These will stop the boot mold coming off on the bottom. There's a total of 5 clips in the kit, and they'll push into the base of the boot mold. Now we're going to clean the area to make sure it's free of debris and mastic around the holes so it can fit nice and flush. If you like, you can also use polish here to clean up the paint and get all your debris off the surface. Before fitting to the car, we'll remove these protective grommets on the back of the molds and apply mastic down the sides. Make sure the boot area is sealed. We have 2 1/4-inch nuts and 3 3/8 speed nuts to fit these to the vehicle. We're going to carefully fit these to the vehicle so all the pins go in evenly and we don't stretch any of the plastic. Now that the molding is in place, we're going to fit the 2 1/4-inch nuts and make sure it aligns with the boot mold. Once these are fitted, we'll then move on to the speed nuts and carefully screw these on to ensure not to break the plastic pins. From factory, these do not fit very well, and if you adjust your boot lid and your molds together, you should be able to get them to fit very nicely. The fitting process will be the same on VK and VL Calais. Alex is now putting the last speed nut on, and as you can see, the mold fits nicely with the boot and the quarter panel and the tail light. So there you have it, guys. Brand new VK Calais boot molds and tail light molds. Available in-store and online now. rarespares.net.au. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.